Hey my lovely sis, the weather people got it right, and it's officially a snow day in New York City. So I have my 135 journal here because this morning, like most mornings, is all about self-discovery and reflection. But first, hot chocolate. Now, as a married, pregnant 30-something-year-old in Queens, I love to start my morning with my 135 journal, which is now available on Amazon. It helps me check in on my mood, set my intention, practice gratitude, and create powerful affirmations to set me up for success for the day. And each day, success looks different, right? Like it can be me rocking a mindfulness workshop for an org that hired me, to having a great prenatal appointment with my husband to check on our baby, or simply feeling fulfilled at the end of the day. You see, shortly before meeting my husband, I decided to explore self-discovery and reflection so I could step into more self-leadership and prepare myself for when I met him. This way I could feel confident, self-assured, and know who I am and what I wanted in a partner. And girl, it worked. So if you want this to work for you and you want it to be your turn in life in your own way, this journal might help. Sending you love.